We just finished up another horseshoe project. We made a key holder out of some nails and an old horseshoe. But since we have the time and we don't have anywhere to be right now, we're gonna do another horseshoe project. We're gonna take 3 horseshoes and we're gonna turn these into a Western napkin holder. So follow along and we will get started. First thing we're gonna do is get the 4.5 inch angle grinder, put on a cutoff disc, and remove all of these horseshoe nails off each one of these. After we do that, we will take these over to the Anvil, and I don't know if you can see that on camera, but they're kind of wonky and bent. Flatten them out, then we'll clean them up and start welding them together. And we have the wire wheel. We'll plug that one in too, since we're going to be using both of them. I'm going to set our welding helmet to grind mode. It's out of shade 5. Alright, now I'm going to start making my way through all these horseshoes, cutting off the horseshoe nails. Make sure that blade's on there nice and tight. Yep. That's the weirdest smell. As I was cutting these off of the horseshoes, it smells like burning, I guess, horse hoof. It smells like burning hair almost. It's pretty nasty. Now we're gonna work. Let me turn this on our Stump anvil. I have a DIY on how to put these tools together if you're interested. I'll make sure to leave that in the video description. Get this welding ground out of the way. We're just going to start flattening these out. That one's pretty good right there. Move on to the next one. That one's good. Sweet. Now we'll bring the wire wheel over here to the welding table and we'll clean those up. Two more to go. When I have all 3 of these cleaned up, we're going to kick on the welder. We're going to be using 6010 1/8 inch welding rod, and we'll start fitting all this up and welding it together. To help with the fit up, I recommend you use these little welding magnets. You just pick these up from, I believe it was Harbor Freight, pretty cheap. And we're going to get a general idea of how we want this going together. About like that. Now we're going to start welding it together. That's how we have the magnet set up. Set our helmet back to weld mode. Let's kick the welder on and get this stuck together. Can't forget the ground clamp. Take those ground, take the magnets off. Now we'll be able to weld up the backside. A little bit more adjustment. A little bit more. We got equal spacing on this side and this side. Everything's facing out the way it should be. And let's weld it there. We're done with these magnets now, and we'll finish welding it all the way around. We have it all welded together now. We're going to take the chipping hammer, chip off the slag on the welds, and then wire brush the whole entire piece. While we're over here, if this is the kind of stuff you're interested in, making this Western decor welding projects, this was the last welding project. It is a horseshoe key holder. I'll make sure to have this in the video description, the link to that. So let's get this cleaned up now. Now let's hit it with a nice coat of spray paint, and we'll go from there. Here we go. Thank you guys for following along on this project. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm probably going to end up putting this on a playlist. I have so many horseshoes, we're going to end up doing way more projects with these. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment, and I really appreciate you guys following along. Thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.